forecasted to be cloudy, so some safety would see that these massive mosquitoes. And Hong Kong weather updates will be reported prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin. Your patience, full cooperation, and compliance are
Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Hong Kong International Airport Terminal 1. Yes, tapos na akong mag-claim ng octopus card. Pero, tapos na akong nag-poops. Char lang. Ginamit agad ang try natin itong good time. Drop.
Naman, Rick, wala. Yes.
Kumain muna ako dito sa
Dito ang siya kaya daw ng
restaurant.
pero kung compare to lang talaga. Kasi wala ka naman ang
Na.
it would just GPT kaya. Sige, sige na natin to. Dito ako kumain. Masarap siya. Super good. Bye! Ang sarap mo. Hindi tayo nakapag-lipstick nito. Hanap ako ng bus. This is it. Tapos na ako nakakain. So, hindi ko pa alam kung ano aking gagamitin. This city. Tour hotel. This city. Hanapin ko ang bus. Bus na 8:21. Kaya ko, it will take me an hour. Ooh. Ooh. A lipstick. Traversing past. Whoa.